Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing a quiet corner and removing obvious noise sources. This reduces post-audio cleanup. Next, get a reliable camera and a directional microphone. Audio matters more than megapixels. Then set up 2 lights, a key and a fill to shape your face. Once done, arrange soft furniture or blankets to tame reverb. Make sure to sketch a simple content workflow, shot list, and script, so setup time becomes repeatable. This saves hours on each shoot. Now fine-tune placement so your visuals and sound read well on camera. Mount the camera at eye level and compose using 16:9 framing. This feels natural to viewers. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches slightly off-axis and add a pop filter to cut plosives. Once positioned, add acoustic treatment, foam panels behind and beside you, a rug underfoot, and a bookshelf for diffusion to avoid boxy audio. Make sure lights are balanced. Tweak power until skin tones look natural on test footage. Finish by running a complete test recording and inspect audio and video together. Set audio peaks around -12 to -6 decibels and confirm white balance. Then tidy cables, label inputs, and save camera and light presets so you can recreate the setup quickly. Once done, create a simple backup plan. A USB mic or smartphone can be a lifesaver. If something goes wrong, check power and default input first. Most issues are solved by restarting the device or swapping to the backup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.